Hey everybody, Andrea Mueller here. I am in Pittston, Pennsylvania today. I am going to show you a short tour of our facility. Pittston is our second largest location in terms of traffic that we get through a terminal. Springfield, Missouri is obviously our largest. It is our headquarters. And we also have Salt Lake City, Utah, which is going through some expansion right now, and that expansion should be done in spring of 2020. This is our fitness facility. It's open 24/7. We got weights, machines, cardio equipment. We have a fitness classroom back there. We have a part-time personal trainer if you're interested in that. We also have restrooms in here and locker rooms as well. All right, this is our cafeteria area. They are open 7 days a week and they serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We have free coffee and tea and water all the time. All right, this is our driver lounge, non-driver lounge. Got TV, couches, got a pool table here. Good place to get away from the noise. All right, so up here on our second floor, we have bunk rooms and showers and laundry, and another driver lounge. Hello. So the showers cleaned every time a driver uses them, and then they do put fresh towels in them in there as well. And then the bunk rooms are one hotel room, one bed, one TV, and drivers can use them for 12 hours for free, and then they need to wait typically 12 hours before they can request a room again. They do tend to fill up, and they're a great way to get out of your truck and get some space for the night. So this is our laundry facility. Clean your clothes, do that here. They sell soap down there, and they also have a change machine right there. This is our salon and spa. We're doing a video, say hello.
Hi. Chippy Pop in the house over there, aka son.
Okay. Haircuts.
Oh, I'm looking good, man. Nails done.
Pedicures. And massage.
Pedicures, manicures, shines, Clyde Logistics.
Welcome to Pittston.
Alright, so this is our company store. They have a lot of stuff in here. Hello.
Hello, hi.
How's it going? Alright, so you got clothing, tools, shampoo, medicine, tons of stuff in here. And some very helpful associates. If you can't find anything, just let them know. They can help you. Hello. If you are new to Prime, you're going to come in this office. These guys will help you out in here. They also have the leasing office in here. So if you're looking for a truck, they're going to help you out in that office. And then right down here is where the simulator and the classrooms are through this door. Stop watching the video! Nervous? Please tell me you have your seatbelt on. Good job. You're nailing it. Woohoo! Hi, Ricky. Good morning. here we have our office area, fleet managers, recruiters, sales, logistics, everybody else. All right, that is pretty much a quick tour of the PA terminal. Hope you found it helpful. Thanks for tuning in.